Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 12 of Maths of Standard 8. Name of the chapter is Equations in One Variable. First point of this chapter is solution of equations in one variable. Now, first question of practice 12.1 is each equation is followed by the values of the variable. Decide whether these values are the solutions of that equation. We have to decide, we have to verify that these values are solution of that equation or not. First equation is given here, solution. Equation is x minus 4 is equal to 3, and here three values are given, minus 1, 7, minus 7. Now one by one we have to solve this by putting this value here, and we have to decide that these values are solutions of this equation or not, and how to solve. Now first number, for x is equal to minus 1, for x is equal to minus 1, three values are there, and for each value we have to find. For x is equal to minus 1, now here only LHS we have to write, left hand side. Left hand side of this equation is x minus 4, only left hand side. Now here put value of x, minus 1. Value of x is minus 1, I write here minus 1, minus 4. And here same sign addition, higher value sign, addition is minus 5. And here number 1. LHS is minus 5, and what is right hand side? Right hand side of this equation is 3, number 2. Now see here, left hand side is minus 5, right hand side is 3, it means both sides are not equal. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And now here, as left hand side and right hand sides are not equal, this value is not solution. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not solution of equation x minus 4 is equal to 3. In this way, first value is not, x is equal to minus 1 is not solution. In this way, we have to find for second and third also. Now second value, let's check second. For x is equal to 7. Steps are same. LHS, RHS. Left hand side is equal to, write only LHS, x minus 4 is equal to, value of x is 7, minus 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, number 1. Right hand side of this equation is 3. Now right hand side and left hand side both are same. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. And now if here LHS is equal to RHS, we can say x is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 is the solution of equation. Of which equation? X minus 4 is equal to 3. The second value, 7 is the solution. Now let's verify for third value. For x is equal to minus 7. First write left hand side. Left hand side of equation is x minus 4. X value is minus 7 and minus 4 here. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11, number 1. And RHS, right hand side is 3, number 2. Now see again, right hand side and left hand sides are not equal. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. And if these two sides are not equal, we can say here x is equal to minus 7 is not the solution. Is not solution of equation x minus 4 is equal to 3. In this way, we have decided here for 3 values. Now second example, equation is given 9m is equal to 81 and 3 values are of m 3, 9, minus 3. First, for m is equal to 3, let's decide for m is equal to 3. Left hand side is equal to 9m is equal to 9 multiplied by value of m is 3. 9 3s are 27. Here first LHS we got 27. RHS, right hand side of this equation is 81. Number 2, left hand side and right hand sides are not equal. Therefore here LHS is not equal to RHS. And as LHS is not equal to RHS, m is equal to 3. Therefore m is equal to 3 is not solution of equation. Equation is 9m is equal to 81. First value. Second value, for m is equal to 9. Let's check for 9. Again left hand side is equal to, left hand side is 9m is equal to 9 multiplied by m value is 9 again. 9 9s are 81. Number 1. Right hand side is equal to 81. Number 2. Here both LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now as LHS and RHS means left hand side and right hand sides are equal, we can say here m is equal to 9 is the solution of equation. Second value is solution. Let's see for third, minus 3. For m is equal to minus 3. Again LHS, left hand side is equal to 9m. 9 multiplied by minus 3, minus 27. Number 1. And RHS is equal to 81. Number 2. Now here LHS, RHS are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. And as LHS is not equal to RHS, m is equal to minus 3 is not solution of equation. This is second example. Example number 3. Third equation is 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. And there are 3 values. For first, a is equal to 2. One by one we have to check. For a is equal to 2 first. LHS, left hand side is equal to 2a plus 4. Only left hand side. 2 multiplied by value of a is 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. It is first LHS. RHS is equal to, RHS is 0. Number 2. Now LHS, RHS are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, left hand side, right hand side. And as these sides are not equal, this is not, a is equal to 2 is not solution of equation. Let's see second value. For a is equal to minus 2. Left hand side is 2a plus 4. 2 multiplied by a value minus 2 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Number 1. Means LHS we got 0. RHS is equal to 0. Number 2. Now for second, LHS, RHS both are equal. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and as both sides are equal, we can say a is equal to minus 2 is the solution of equation. Now third, let's see for third value 1. for A is equal to 1, LHS is equal to 2A plus 4, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4, 2 ones are 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, number 1. Left hand side is 6. Right hand side is 0, number 2. LHS is not equal to RHS now, because LHS is 6, RHS is 0, and as these are not equal, we can say A is equal to 1 is not solution of equation. Now let's see example number 4. Equation is 3 minus y is equal to 4 for y is equal to minus 1, first value. Left hand side is equal to 3 minus y is equal to 3 minus, and y value is also minus 1, therefore in bracket I write 3 minus plus 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, here number 1. Left hand side we got 4, right hand side is already given 4, second, therefore here LHS is equal to RHS, and as both sides are equal, we can say here therefore y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of equation. Okay, second value for y is equal to 1, again write LHS, left hand side is 3 minus y, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, first. RHS is 4, number 2. Now LHS 2, RHS 4 not equal, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, and as these two are not equal, we can say y is equal to 1 is not solution of equation. And third value for y is equal to 2, third value. LHS, left hand side 3 minus y, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, first. RHS is 4, number 2, not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore last we can say here y is equal to 2 is not solution of equation. In this way, first question of practice set 12.1 is completed.